So guys, these are the broccoli, and as you can see, I'm not using much grass in the broccoli because the weather is very good, so I don't want to oversweat the broccoli, so that I don't want them to get rotten. So I'm gonna leave it like this for now. Maybe when they start to roll, I put some grass through there for mulching so that they don't get the broccoli head dirty. So these are the broccoli I planted. I think I planted these on Monday. So these catch already because when you get some rain and something, even though I have to water a few evenings still, when you get some rain and things. So I haven't fertilized these as yet. I think I'm gonna wait until next week because I have so many things doing. I'm gonna wait until next week before I fertilize the broccoli, and then I'm gonna show you guys the lettuce. So yesterday I planted the lettuce, so these are the lettuce. They haven't catch as yet. Yesterday the sun is so hot that they started to burn. If you can see, they started to burn. It was like roasted up, and I had to water them in the sun hot like about 1 o'clock. And then yesterday evening the rain fall, so that's a good look for them. So I only have few rows of lettuce, and guys, it might look simple, but this is 1,000 lettuce. Yeah, so these are the lettuce. I'll come back and give you guys an update just for an overview of the whole entire ground. You know, this is the lettuce and the broccoli right here. Then you have the big salad up at the top right there, and then you have the cucumber over there. And guys, I also have some tomatoes on the next side, and then I have the bottom piece right here. I also have some tomatoes in trays and some sweet peppers that I'm gonna plant down here.